The word Tikhon has many meanings in Hebrew, and in this tutorial, I'll try and cover them all. In short, the word Tikhon means the middle of something, but in modern Hebrew, we only use this word for very specific uses. In general, the most common way of saying the word middle in modern Hebrew is emtza. Examples: Ani be'emtza aseret. I'm in the middle of a movie. Ani hayeled ha'emtza'i b'mishpacha. I'm the middle child in my family. But back to our topic of the word Tikhon. Many Hebrew students will come across the term Hayam HaTichon, which is how we call in Hebrew the Mediterranean Sea. As you're beginning to understand, in the olden days, this was the major sea in the middle of the known world between Europe, Asia, and Africa, which is how it got its name in Hebrew, and in many other languages. This word can also become an adjective. Ochel Yam Tichoni or Muzika Yam Tichonit. Mediterranean food in the masculine form, or Mediterranean music in the feminine form. Next, on the eastern coast of the Mediterranean, where among other countries Israel is located, we'll find a region the Europeans refer to as the Middle East, as opposed to the Far East. In Hebrew, we call the Middle East Hamizrach HaTichon, and the Far East Hamizrach HaRachok. Now, let's discuss high school. In Israel, the school system is split up in three. First comes Beit Sefer Yesodi. This is what's called in America elementary school, where you attend between the ages of 6 and 12, meaning 1st to 6th grade. Yesodi literally means elementary in Hebrew. Then comes Chativat HaBeinaim. This is what's called in America middle school, which you attend between the ages of 13 and 14, meaning 7th to 8th grade. Chativat HaBeinaim would translate something in the lines of the division in between in Hebrew. And last but not least, we have Beit Sefer Tichon, which is usually just shortened to Tikhon. In Hebrew, we actually call it middle school, while in America, it's called high school, where teens study, or party, or just sleep through the ages of 15 to 18, or 9th to 12th grade. In Hebrew, we call it middle school since it's located between elementary school and university. Next, in high school, many of us had to suffer through the endless lessons of geometry. When we look at a triangle, here too, we'll have a median, or a tichon, which cuts through the middle of the triangle. Now that we've discussed the word Tikhon, let's look at some of its other family relatives, which I'm sure none of you have ever made the connection with. Family member number 1 is the word toch. This word has two general meanings. The first meaning is inside. Examples: Hachatul yashen betoch hakufsa. The cat is sleeping in the box. אני שופך את המים לתוך הכוס. I'm spilling the water into the cup. As we can vaguely see, the word toch kind of means in the middle or in the center of something. As I said, they're just relatives, so they don't have the exact same meaning. Another meaning of the word toch is within a certain amount of time, but we'll leave that for a different tutorial. The last relative of Tikhon I'd like to introduce is the word tivuch, meaning mediation, arbitration, brokerage, or negotiation. As we can see, here we have a person, or a company, standing in the middle of two parties and negotiating a deal between them. When you're buying a house, you'd probably be using a mitavech if it's a man, or a mitavechet if she's a woman, between the buyer and the seller. I hope this tutorial clarifies the word tichon, and that now you have a better understanding of the different uses of this word. Yalla bye!